Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, unusually happy, and with a story as usual. So I rarely get gifts, and that is by my choice, my own choice, because I think buying me gifts are just a waste of money. If I want something, I have probably already bought it, and if I want something, I know really specifically what I want. So when I get gifts, when my mom nags about you need to get something for a Christmas gift or birthday gift, I say exactly what I want. So when I get gifts, it's not a surprise. But this time I got exactly what I wanted, and it was really a surprise, really. So let's get to it. Or I actually have some more things to say. So, uh, electric air pump for your car would have meant the world for me back in the days when I used to do track days. I did a lot of racing, a lot of track days. And this is, when did I start with that? 20 years ago, over 20 years ago. And with racing tires, you had to go out on track, go back in a pit stop, deflate the tires, go out on the track, pit stop, deflate the tires, yada, 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 all day. And then when the racing day was over, your car was standing, cooling off, and you wanted to drive home, you had very little air in the tires. And on racetracks, for some stupid reason, there are no air pumps there. I don't understand that at all. Why? Maybe today, but the tracks in Sweden that I know of, they don't have air pumps. Crazy. And I have some large knowledge about air tires. I have many posts about that. So air tires or tires in the air are very important for me. Air tires. Why did I say that? I got a fever and I got a cold. And yeah, air in the tires. So when NOCO, because I use boosters as well. So when NOCO showed that they had a booster with a pump, I got really excited. I need that. I sent an email to NOCO. They did not have a Swedish retailer of it back then. There were one in Norway. Norway is not in EU, so it will cost me a lot to get it from Norway. A couple of months after that, we had a Swedish at least a Swedish site that sold them. Like $450, I think, $460. And last autumn, when it was SEMA award show, or SEMA show, I had a bunch of friends in US, and that was the same time as Black Monday, Black Friday, Black Week, whatever it was called, Black Weekend, Black Month. So in US, the NOCO AX65 cost $200. And here in Sweden, $460. So it was less than half the price in US. So I made a post on Facebook asking friends if they could get me one home. And nobody could. And a friend of mine told me that they are retailers for batteries and they sell some NOCO products, and he could check and see if they could get me a NOCO AX65 that was not being sold in Sweden. A couple of weeks passed. I asked him again, and I said, I saw now that they have a air pump that is only air pump, not a booster. and only a battery air pump. And I wanted them both. So check prices for both of them. And he said, no, they were not in stock. They don't know when they're getting them, etc., etc. All right, so I will just buy them in Sweden. The prices went up, and that irritated me. So the NOCO AL5 price was $60 in Sweden, and US half the price. And the AX65 was, I think, still those, like, let's say $460, still the same. And that got me irritated that I didn't buy it when I wanted, and now it's more expensive. All right, let's wait. It will become Christmas sale or whatever. And during Christmas, I didn't care to check about it. And then something made me go check again for prices, and they were even more expensive. The AL5 was $82, and the A65, I think, was still the same, maybe cheaper even. But the AL5 cost twice as much as it did a couple of months ago. So that got me irritated. Then last week or something, my sister got a flat tire. And I realized I really should have a portable air pump, tire air pump. I really should have. So I wrote to my friend again, asking him, hey, how goes with the prices, etc., etc. He gave me a price, the same price as the other stores, and said that they are not in stock. They will not be in stock for like 2 weeks. All right, I can wait 2 weeks. All right. But skip the AX65 because I have I have a new booster and I have an old booster, and the C-Tech booster. Yeah, so boosters I have. I just want the pump, only the air pump. And I met this friend this Easter, him and his wife, and he gave me a gift, very well wrapped. That was a complete surprise. I forgot to take a picture of the present, and he gave me this, the NOCO AL5, that I've been wanting now for like 6 months or something, and that I've been needing for over 20 years. Over 20 years. So that is the intro of the video. I will charge it and test it, and I'm really, really thankful. Really thankful. Matthias and Melissa, really thankful. This is the gift that have been the biggest surprise gift ever, because it wasn't my birthday or Christmas or anything, and it was exactly what I wanted without me saying, hey, you can buy me that for a gift. And I would never ask anybody to buy me something this expensive as a gift. I, of course, told him I will pay for it, but he said, no, it's a gift. You waited for so long, it's a gift. So I'm really, really thankful. I've seen, it is, as I said, a couple of months old now, so I've seen a bunch of videos of it. And it seems to be a bit slow maybe, but for my usage now, just like daily checking the tires or something, I think it will work. Hard thing to unbox. For racing tires and that usage, I think it should work as well. What I mean when it's flat, like now when my sister had a flat tire, what I mean with it being slow is that from flat tire to full, it takes a couple of minutes actually. But to use, all right, it's small, good. but you to use adjust the tires and put some extra air in the tires after being out on the track. I think it will be good. It is charged already, fully charged it looks like, but a new product you should charge it 100% before you use it. Yeah. It's loud. It's really loud. So NOCO AL5 is only a pump, not a booster. US price now is, I think, around $50. Here in Sweden, $82, or with the taxes, let's say $85, maybe $90. It's small, it's portable, it doesn't weigh too much, and I'm really happy for it. Really happy, and I've been needing it for over 20 years. This would change my racing career completely. Thank you very, very much. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you. And I don't need to show you how it works because there are a bunch of other videos. So that will be it for this video. Mainly a thank you video and thank you unboxing. I have some more unboxings to do. Getting shoes tomorrow, and I haven't had time to do some unboxings. Thank you.